This is my knife that I always carry. It's a Cobra Tec. Hit and release. You got this little thing here. And that's how you close it also. It's got a nice clip on it. So you pull it out. It's a good one. Nice sharp knife. Cobra Tecs are pretty good. Real nice. It's pretty heavy, but you'll know it if you drop it. You'll know it's missing, and you can find it easy with this white handle. It's pretty good. But that's what I always carry in my pocket. That's my pocket knife. Cobra Tec. One more time.